Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you quickly how to find your domains CNAME record for your blogger. So let's start quickly. I will show you how you can find. So simply come here in the Google and search for Google Search Console. Simply search for this and go to the first website and click on Start Now and put your domain here. What is your domain, and simply after that simply click on the continue button, and after that I will give you a very quick link, and in description box you can go through and you will directly get to the open this page. Now as you can see here I have lots of domains here. I have copied this link. If you go to that link, simply paste and go. But what you have to do is you must have to select your email from here. Maybe you have used more than one email, so simply click you can go from here. So after that like this I will now change I will change my email, and you can see here I want details for this domain, so I will click on verification details, and after that simply if you click on verification detail, and here is your record, CNAME record. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Link I have given this in description. Just simply copy paste that link and you will get all your details. Thank you.